What's up, YouTube? Thought I'd make a quick video on how to replace the door handles on a 2014, 15, and 16 Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra. As you can see here, I have the chrome handles from the LTZ package, and I did not like that, and I wanted to switch it out with the body colored handles. First step is to open your door, and there is a black little rubber cover here. You just pull that off with your finger. Take that off. Grab a T25 bit, and you want to unscrew this, but you have to be careful not to lose the actual bit. So what I like to do is give it a couple turns and jiggle it. Give it a couple more turns. You just want to unscrew it just enough to loosen the outside cover here. So every couple turns I check it, and that was enough for me to pull that off. And then I want to tighten that screw back in so you don't lose it. So now that that screw is completely taken off, go ahead and close the door here. This video here, and then you give it a locking it would help. Let's lock the door. Actually, locking it wouldn't help. You want to, let's see which way. You want to slide it towards yourself, and it pops off just like that. Piece of cake. Now to put it on, I've seen a couple methods. The method I like the best is the fishing line. It's very easy. Normal fishing line. Cut a piece off. And let's see if I can show you where you string that in at. Where is it? Bear with me. Okay, if you see in there, there's a metal piece that the handle catches onto. It looks like an E. That's what you want to put right there. That's what you want to hook the fishing line onto. Back that up here. Let me see if I can get a good shot there. First step is that you want to hook this in like so. Do that. Take your fishing line and make a little loop or whatever with it, and then feed it into that metal E that I showed you. And then at this point, let me move the camera here. You want to pull the fishing line and then hook this handle over that little E, that middle E part of the bracket there. So I put this down. Now if you lock it, it would be a good idea to lock it so you don't open the door with the fishing line. So, oh, and I just lost my thing, so I'll put it back in. Okay. pulling on the fishing line, hooking it in, and then now I could just take this fishing line and pull it free because it gets wedged in between the handle and the bracket. Make sure you test it, and it's on there pretty perfect. One shot. Now you unlock the door and grab the other piece here for the back piece. Same thing we did earlier. You only want to back it out just enough for you to be able to put it in. So every couple turns, see if it'll fit. Every couple turns, see if it'll fit. Almost there. There it is. And then I tighten it back up. That's it. Lock the door, show you how it's on. It's not coming off. 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed that video, and check out my other video when I get it posted for doing the mirror caps. Thanks for watching.